Insulation.
Wait, but Dan, you haven't done an intro. Yes, I know I haven't. We got straight into the video. Sue us. I'm editing this one because Jess is away and I forgot to film an intro, so here. This is now the intro. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm not allowed to drink Monster, so someone else sponsor us. Let's get straight back into the video. Boom!
I found this stuff online, I can't remember where. It's basically rockwool, and fitting it into these pieces.
You may have noticed that in the background there is a radio playing and we forgot to turn it off, so I'm doing a voiceover because I don't want to get a copyright strike because that's bad. Basically, I'm just showing you that we've got this piece of rockwool that we found online. I can't remember where it is. I wouldn't recommend it because I don't know if it's good or not for vans yet. I did a little bit of research, but here is just me gluing it to the interior of the van. Yeah, there we go.
How's it going?
It's going in a direction. I don't know which direction,
Can you
but
show
it's
me
going.
what you've done so far?
So, yes, this is in.
You've done this so quick.
Yeah, I've had help by a god.
It was me.
But yeah, we've got this in, taped around it. We're going to fill all the holes. We will do this bit at a later date. And now we're just doing all the bottom bits of this side, and then we'll move on to the other side. Now the conduit's in, I don't have to worry about that until there's a problem. But yeah, we've got this in. How do you feel? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah? Enjoying it?
Yeah.
Good.
But I will let you get back to work.
Thanks.
Enjoy.
I will try my best. So, all of this is in, that side's in, all of these bits are in. I've done down this bit, I still need to do in there, and I've done in here and in here. I've done that little bit down there, still got to fill in these holes, but it's getting there, slowly it's getting there. So, let's get cracking. Need to get this done.
Get low for me, baby, no hands. Goddamn, like damn. In the ends, I'm feeling like bam. Throwing bands and it's making them dance. Like, do you know who I am? Stick with me, I got a plan. Say, try to get my van. Lapped up, try to get my. Get low for me, baby, no hands. Goddamn, like damn. Say, try to get my van. Lapped up, try to get my. Get low for me, baby, no hands. Goddamn, like damn. In the yams, I'm feeling like bam. Throwing bands and it's making them dance. Like, do you know who I am? Stick with me, I got a plan. I got a plan. Stick with me, I got a plan. Like, do you know who I am? Throwing bands and it's making them dance. Like.
Ooh. Okay, day 2 of getting the insulation in. So, you may be able to see behind me, I've got a lot of silverback rockwool in the wall. I filled in all of these bits, some of inside here is filled. On this side it's all the same. I've got this bit is absolutely stuffed, this bit is stuffed. You can see in these gaps, all through there, all underneath. So essentially today is going to be tidying up all of this. I might double up on some bits. So as you can see where there's a bit of a gap in here, I might put another piece on top, squish it down, tape it back down, just to get that extra bit of insulation in there, so that we've got the best heating. And well, yeah, we can store the heat in here and keep the cold out as much as possible. All right, let's get cracking. So as you can see, as I'm stuffing it up through this gap, I'm starting to fill in this void here, which you can't get to from the inside. Beautiful!
Okay, Dan here, just gonna talk to you and give you a couple of fun facts. I don't talk a lot in this part of the video, so I thought giving you a couple fun facts will be fun. Why not? I'm editing the video this time, so I can do what I want. So, one fun fact is insulation actually works both ways. If you don't know how insulation works, what it can do is it can be an incredible product to keep your van warm during the winter, but it also slows heat getting in during the summer. It's basically a temperature procrastinator. Another fun fact is, if you don't know, sheep's wool is a great insulation product for a van. Natural wool insulation can absorb moisture up to 30% of its weight without feeling wet and still insulate. Your van can technically be wearing a sweater in between your walls, but there we go. Here's a third fact for you. Windows are an insulation enemy. So even the best insulated vans lose most of its heat through windows. Reflective window covers can feel like cheating the laws of physics. Essentially what I'm trying to say is, make sure you get a set of extremely good insulated window covers for your van. Whether you get them made, buy them from Amazon or eBay or anywhere like that, get some window covers that are insulated. They will help keep the heat in so much. Here's a bonus alpine fact for you. This one's actually Marvin approved. In snowy condition, insulation helps, but thermal breaks like wood battens between metal and interior walls are what stop cold from sneaking in through the van's skeleton. Essentially, I don't really know what that one is. I'm reading it off of ChatGPT, but there you go. If you didn't know that fact, now you do. I still don't know.
When did we make it so cold? The air is too thick to breathe. You remember all those good times? Was it all just a scene? You said you wanted to know me, but did you even try? 'Cause all you do is find new.
Okay, so I've got most of the insulation in through the top now. However, we've got this panel and this panel, which is now letting heat out. However, we were going to put pop-outs here, but we're not going to now, just for the time being. We may do in the future. So let's get it insulated. Sound deadening. In. Okay. Now we've got the fleece liner in. Let's get the insulation in. Okay, there we go. So insulated, everything is all taped up as it should be for the vapor barriers and stuff. So yeah, I am quite happy with it. So as you can see, insulated and insulated. Van's a bit of a mess, so what I'm going to do is I am going to give it a hell of a tidy, possibly a vacuum, get all the dust and stuff out of here, and get started editing this video. As you may know from our previous video, we're going to start trying to get a video out every week. So again, as Jess has probably explained, we're going to try and focus on one thing we do on the van at a time. It will be shorter videos, but they will mean hopefully a little bit more. And also by the end of it, if you keep watching, you find out that why the end of February is the most important thing for us. We need the van ready by then, so slowly but surely we'll get there. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, or don't if you don't want to, but have a good rest of your week. Bye!